this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your FBS app. So by updating your FBS app, you'll be able to fix a lot of bugs, and also you'll get the latest features that comes with this app, as well as fix security problems associated with the older version of your app. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. To update your app, you'll either need to access Google Play Store if you are on Android, or App Store if you are on iPhone. So I'm on Android, and I'll proceed and tap on Google Play Store. And from here, I'll go ahead and search for the app. And you can see my app is here. So I'll tap on it and then look for any update if it is available here. Should you see an update option, it means you have been using an outdated app which is risky. To get the latest version of this FBS trading broker app, go ahead and tap on update, and then this will proceed and download the latest app and install it on your smartphone. From here, you will have the latest features with your app. Now proceed and then log in to use your app as usual. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.